Every week, someone launches an AI that will revolutionize law. By Friday, it has invented 3 court cases that never happened. Bold. We went the other way. MateMatic Boutique is a small free catalogue of legal skills and connectors that run on your own machine. No cloud, no terminal, no salesman explaining synergy. The skills install with one command and each does exactly one honest job. A content reviewer, GDPR anonymisation, a devil's advocate for when your own argument needs a good kicking. A search across EU and CJEU case law. No magic. We checked. The connectors are 16 quiet bridges to EU and Polish law. They hand your agent the real source with a link straight back to it. So, the AI cites the law. A revolutionary idea, we know, telling the truth. And it all stays on your desk. Your client files never take a little holiday to someone else's server. Ready-made, grounded, and refreshingly free of ego. Browse the boutique at matematicsolutions.com/boutique. Bring coffee.